resonance. All right, we've all heard the term from Nikola Tesla. If you want to know the secrets to the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. So what is it that he was exactly talking about? So energy is all matter. It's all thoughts, feelings, and emotions. Frequency is simply the speed in which that energy is moving at or oscillating at. And we often see this in the shape or the pictures of waveforms, okay? Now, vibration is the shape or the form in which that energy and frequency is moving at. So it has a certain shape. Now, where resonance comes into this is when we look at ourselves from a holistic approach, okay? We are looking at the whole human being in its entirety, right? We are looking at it from a mind, body, spirit, and soul perspective, all right? And now, when each and every one of those parts of your being are vibrating at their optimum frequency, you will become a coherent being, okay? And everything will be harmoniously working together and creating, for example, optimum health. So I think that's kind of like a simplified version to understand resonance. Now, where it's extremely important to understand is that once you are happy, healthy, and strong, okay, and we are resonating at our optimum frequency and we become coherent, in nature, like attracts like, all right? So it's going to attract the same thing. So a big thing for us human beings in life is finding our life partner, all right? Now, once we are in that resonant state, we're happy and healthy in coherence with ourselves, we will attract the same energy that we need. So, for example, you know, a lot of people, they're constantly going above and beyond to find that perfect person and find that perfect one that is the same as you. And it never happens because they're fixated on it. And in order to love another person, you've got to love yourself first, you know? So once you are resonating and oscillating at your optimum frequency, it's going to automatically happen. Now, where spirit comes into this is spirit is the center. Spirit is the absolute center of your being. And look at spirit like a little dot in the center of a circle, the circle being your soul, yeah? And then the next one, your mind comes, which is a triangle. And then the last one is your body, which is a square, okay? And that is the human being. But at the center of that whole beautiful, in resonant and coherent being, right in the center, is spirit. It's the eternal one. So I hope that makes sense, guys. Be well always and have a wonderful day.